Hello friends, in this video we are learning how to type Malayalam fonts on your Photoshop. Okay, uh, before that you must know I'm using this website cutipencil.in/Google for typing Malayalam words and also converting those Malayalam UTF fonts to uh, Photoshop accepted fonts. Okay, and simply click here Malayalam. Okay, now it is on the YouTube phone and this one is not working Photoshop directly, and if that working, that fonts are looking ugly. So choose convert option, choose convert to FML series, then can they get this dialog box, then copy from here. Okay, and just open your Photoshop, then select text for it and click here. I'm using FMLTT Indulega heavy. Just paste here, then you can see it is working. Okay, and also you can choose any other FML formats from here. You can see that I am installed too many fonts, so these are the fonts. Okay, simply select here. That's changed. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can simply download the FML fonts from here, like search FML Malayalam fonts, and you can download Malayalam fonts from different websites. You can get the zip file for free. You can simply click here to download any of them. So that's guys, without FML fonts that's not working. For example, I'm showing here uh, this is the Malayalam text. If you text any other English fonts, it will be like this code. Okay, but if you select Malayalam, that will be work. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.